Entering the years beyond 60 is a milestone, offering a chance to focus on well-being and longevity. For many, safe weight management becomes a central part of that journey. But this isn't about chasing a number on a scale. It's about enhancing your quality of life, preserving independence, and having the energy for the things you love. The benefits are immediate, starting with your joints. Losing excess weight significantly reduces strain on knees and hips. This makes movement easier and less painful, improving mobility and balance, which helps prevent falls and keeps you active and engaged. The cardiovascular benefits are profound. A healthier weight helps manage blood pressure and can lower harmful LDL cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart attack and stroke. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which is key for stabilizing blood sugar and lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. As our bodies change, our approach must adapt. Metabolism slows, and we face age-related muscle and bone loss. Therefore, the goal is specifically fat loss, not muscle or bone. This requires a gentle, intelligent, science-based plan. Forget crash diets or jarring high-impact strain. Before making changes, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider. They can help you create a sustainable plan with simple steps you can live with, ensuring your journey to a healthier weight is both safe and successful. The cornerstone of a healthy diet is nutrient density. This means focusing on the quality of your calories, not just the quantity. Choose foods packed with vitamins and minerals to ensure your body gets all the nourishment it needs, which is vital when consuming fewer calories overall. Protein is crucial to preserve the lean muscle that keeps your metabolism efficient, a key factor as we age. Aim for lean sources like salmon and cod for their heart-healthy omega-3s, alongside poultry. Plant-based powerhouses like beans and lentils, or low-fat Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are also excellent. Fill most of your plate with vegetables and eat the rainbow. Different colors signify different protective antioxidants. They are high in fiber and water, which is key for satiety, that feeling of fullness that helps manage appetite. To preserve their nutrients, cook by steaming, light roasting, or enjoy them raw. For carbohydrates, choose whole grains like oats and brown rice. Their fiber provides a slow, steady release of energy, helping to keep your blood sugar stable. Use healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and avocado in moderation. At the same time, avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats from fried foods, butter, and red meat. These smart choices protect your heart while supporting a healthy weight for long-term vitality. Beyond what you eat is a critical piece of the puzzle. Mastering portion control is a gentle yet powerful strategy for steady weight management, which is key to protecting your joints and overall health. A simple trick is using smaller plates. This visual cue helps your brain feel satisfied with less food. For balanced nutrition, adopt the plate method. Fill half with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein to preserve muscle, and a quarter with whole grains for sustained energy. Consistency is your ally. Eating on a regular schedule helps regulate your metabolism and hunger. Aim for 3 balanced meals daily, as skipping them can lead to overeating. If hungry, have a small, planned snack. To improve sleep, finish your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. Hydration is also vital. It supports joint health and can curb false hunger. Keep water handy and choose it over sugary drinks or alcohol, which add empty calories. Unsweetened herbal tea is another great choice. Finally, supplements should only be taken with your doctor's guidance. Blood tests can reveal deficiencies, personalizing your plan with essentials like vitamin D and calcium for bone strength. This ensures your approach is safe and complete. Physical activity is non-negotiable. It preserves muscle and bone during weight loss. Gentle, consistent movement, 20 to 30 minutes. March in place for 2 minutes. Roll shoulders back, then forward. Gentle neck turns. Swing arms comfortably. Sit to stand, 8-12 controlled reps. Wall push-ups, 8-12 reps. Heel raises, 10-15 slow reps. Single leg stands, 10-20 seconds each side. 5 to 10 minutes of easy cardio, walking works. Or march in place, cycle lightly, or follow chair aerobics. Cool down 3 to 5 minutes. Finish with gentle stretches. This is a long-term commitment, not a quick fix. Small, steady changes last. Begin with 1 or 2 positive habits. Share goals. Find a walking buddy. Classes add structure and community. Use simple reminders to reinforce habits. Celebrate small wins. Keep a tiny log. Meals, water, activity. Review to spot patterns and progress. Always listen to your body. If chest pain, dizziness, or severe breathlessness, stop and call your doctor. Use supportive shoes in a hazard-free area. Regular check-ins keep your plan safe, effective, and sustainable.